Firehouse, right next to Lucky's warehouse. Already got the private property sign up. And what is this? Day one. We bought it, closed on it today. And it looks like
Is deze van jou?
Alright guys, a little backstory. Lucky's warehouse is right down this alley here on the right side. And this house became available. We bought it for a good deal because there was a fire on the inside. How ironic, right? We get a call at 4 in the morning that our back wall of the house was in the neighbor's yard. And they weren't lying. It looks pretty bad. Not sure if I should be inside or not. I don't want that roof coming down on me, you know. So, I'm not sure how I'm gonna tackle this project, but I'm gonna get started. Neighbor's pretty angry about it. The fire department went a little crazy with the tape. There it is, back wall in the neighbor's yard. I tried making a video of me throwing spears the other day and I couldn't get anything. And I was just throwing spears for like an hour. If I can somehow get all this done before 12 o'clock, I think I might be able to take this up to the mountain. Alright guys, day 4 here at the Firehouse, and I'll show you what I'm up to today. We got wild dogs peeing on my tires. I got the front entryway of the Firehouse all boarded up, and today we're putting up a fence, digging these holes between 20 and 24 inches deep. This has been the best tool I've used so far for digging posts. Amazing post hole digger. Steel handle, and it's got a tape measure on the side so you know how far down you are. Ludi's Market across the street. Pile of rubble that we need to get rid of. And there's all my lumber for the fence. This is what I'm dealing with. Compact clay and giant rocks. And I don't have my rock bar. It's up at the mountain. Tough work, guys. First few poles went in so easy, guys. I had a few rocks on these 2 or 3 poles here, but other than that, everything went smoothly, and I pretty much did the whole fence in one day, a couple hours. But these last few posts have been a huge headache, guys. This post here, I hit so many large rocks, like that guy and that guy. All of these rocks came out of that post hole. This guy here, we hit this giant tree stump, and we had to chainsaw it in half and dig through the roots to get this one in. My next post is going where this old fence post was, and I'm digging through concrete and rocks and more roots, guys. And I got 2 more poles to set, also through chain link fence poles. Well guys, more issues here at the Firehouse. We got hit with the violation on day 1, and now the city's completely shutting us down. We're not even allowed to work here anymore. Too bad. I was just getting this fence done. We're gonna start fixing up the yard and working on the inside, but I don't think that's possible now. What should I do, guys? Not too sure what to do about it. They don't do anything about the wild dogs running around having babies.
It's us. You're not our dog.
but they want to shut me down for trying to make improvements in this town. Absolutely ridiculous, guys.
Is deze van jou?
It's been about a year and a half since we've seen you. gained a couple pounds. Oh, what a sweet girl though. Glad to see the neighborhood dogs are doing okay. A lot of work to do. Let's get to it. Let's cut these weeds.